evening, everybody. Glad to see so many of you here in the studio tonight. It isn't raining outside, is it? Well, sir, tonight we're going to get to the nitty-gritty about your friendly buzz, local police officer. Okay, our first guest needs no introduction. Professor Tom Higgins, historian, social critic, and political activist. One of LA's makers and shakers. No ivory tower for this guest. Editor publisher of LA's favorite underground newspaper. He's responsible for the Free Forum. Officer Bill Gannon and Sergeant Joe Friday, Los Angeles Police Department. Gentlemen. Jesse, why don't we start with you? Well, right. As far as I'm concerned, you might as well ask who needed the Gestapo. My answer to that would be the establishment. The establishment needs the goon squad with the mace and the clubs and the guns and the tear gas to preserve the evils of the status quo. You ask me who needs them, and I say it's not the black people, it's not the Mexican Americans, and it's not the students. They're just trying to make a new and better The establishment fat cats have been rapping on us and sucking our blood for thousands of years, and are now getting a little uptight because we, the people, are getting sick and tired of it. Tough act to follow. Care to try? Talking about the people who hire us, pay our salaries. You're talking about yourself and Professor Higgins there and Mr. Bly. You're talking about the taxpayers of Los Angeles. You really think that when we get a call about a robbery or selling what we do, check out the big bank balance, something like that, and we have a great many wealthy people in LA. 1,400 rapes, 281 murders, 26,000 suicides. I don't happen to agree entirely with the remarks of my good friend, like geographically speaking. I'm less concerned with the police, the so-called law enforcement agencies, and the social outfit. I hear they sure. I want to thank them. If I'm demonstrating from the production of war material, strike my hand or shoot me. Attitude wasn't your pension plan. Frankly, I wish we could. Hard work. Hold that.